Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to draw a lycanroc in its midday form. And you already know what the other forms of lycanroc look like. And this is the only form I didn't draw yet, but don't worry, I'll get right to that. Okay. Okay, let's get started. There we go. There we go. Okay, there's one foot. Now to add the other one. Alexa, can you tell me today's Pokemon?
Here's what I found on Wikipedia. Pokemon, also advertised in English as Pokemon the Series, is a Japanese anime television series produced by the animation studio OLM Incorporated in association with MediaNet and ShowPro based on the video game franchise by the Pokemon Company.
Alexa, can you tell me the Pokemon of the day?
Here is a Pokemon, Mamoswine.
Okay, that's today's Pokemon. We're nearly there, folks. There we go. And there we go. That's how you draw a lycanroc. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. But this isn't the end of our show. We still got a long way to go.